having that pride can be the worst thing in the world, right?
I understand.
And also, 500 by the 31st. What's our balance?
Our balance, Judge, is $3,539. Court costs of $190. A total rent retained of $3,729. There was not a payment made within the last week, but I did talk to Ms. Patterson before she left, and we had actually talked to her about talking with her social worker at the school about trying to help her pay the funds, as another tenant that was there last week did the same thing. So that's what I was wondering with Ms. Patterson.
Okay.
Go ahead.
I did speak to the social worker. So I work at an elementary school. So I did talk to the social worker and she gave me some leads of businesses to call. And so I've been reaching out to them. I did hear back from DHS for regarding the SCR. They did deny me. So I did call and asked them, like, why was I denied? She said that they were worried about the out-of-pocket costs being more than what I could afford. I said, okay, what do I need to do? She said, reapply and submit all your pay stubs and we'll see what we can do. I said, okay. So I reapplied and resubmitted my pay stubs. So I'm waiting here for that. I did get paid, but my account was overdrawn by $546. And so I have what is left over from that after putting gas in my car to get here. So I have $310 to pay today.
Bless your heart.
I'm trying to do what I can, Your Honor.
Yeah. Okay. No, I got you. Did you make too much for Hawk? Is that what the deal is?
I haven't spoken to her because I've been trying to get other things taken care of while raising my.
Okay, so you haven't talked to Hawk?
I have not talked to her. I'm really trying to do this on my own.
All right, look, young lady. I get you. Okay.
Mhm.
Sometimes a lot of folks don't want to reach out for help when it may be there.
Mhm.
Okay. How many kids you have?
2, I have my daughter right here and my son went to work this afternoon.
Okay. So you want to do this on your own?
I'm trying to.
I know. But sometimes having that pride can be the worst thing in the world, right?
I understand.
And also put those that you probably love the most in the world in jeopardy of not having a home, right?
Right.
And I don't know you, but just talking to you, I don't think you want to do that.
No, I don't.
All right. So why don't we do this? We're both going to swallow our pride a little bit. Okay.
Okay.
If there's somebody out there that can help you get over this hump, let's just do it.
Okay.
Okay. Because you're working, right?
Yes, sir.
And so if this balance were to disappear, you can make your monthly payment, right?
Correct.
Okay. So we got to find a way to make it go away.
Okay.
All right. Lady, there's no shame in that.
I know.
Okay. Everybody that's here has run across some point in their life where they needed somebody just to help them out a little bit.
I understand.
Okay. So now's your time. And let's see if we can make it happen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How old's your daughter?
11.
Okay. So even if we don't do it for you, I'm going to do it for her.
Okay.
Got it? How's that sound?
That sounds perfect.
All right. So I'm going to have you speak with Amy so we can see what we can do and get you in. You got, how much did you say?
$310.
That's all you got?
Yes, sir.
To your name?
Yes, sir. My grandpa just filled up my tank because I went to go help him with his own divorce papers. So he put gas in my car. And I came right back out here.
Okay, listen. How are you going to make it? So when do you get paid next?
Well, I'm going on DoorDash and out of my car is filled up. I'm going to go out DoorDashing. I don't get paid again until the 15th.
Get $250 of that whatever that you have into the landlord.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. Tuck that other part away in case something comes up with one of your kids or your son. You hear me?
Yes, sir.
So you pay that to the landlord that day. And then what I'm gonna adjourn this to the 15th, 2024 at 1 p.m. And then what we're gonna do after I adjourn here, I'm gonna have you talk to Amy.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Young lady, I get you because I got one of you like that at home. Swallow that pride. Okay? Get yourself through this. Whatever it takes, get yourself through this. There is no shame in any of this. None. Zero. Zip. That's why it's out there. You hear me?
I hear.
All right. We'll see you on the 15th.
This is one of those courtroom moments that hits harder than shouting ever could. There is no yelling, no threats, and no drama. Just a judge recognizing reality and choosing compassion without giving up responsibility. What we are seeing is not someone refusing to pay. It is someone struggling to survive while still trying their best. Ashley did not come in with excuses. She came with proof, timelines, and an honest explanation of how close to the edge she really is. She works full-time at an elementary school, raises 2 children, and keeps getting denied assistance. Not because she is careless, but because the system says her numbers do not qualify, and when she finally gets paid, her bank account is already overdrawn. That is the part people miss when they judge cases like this. Being poor is expensive. Fees stack up. Delays punish you. One missed payment turns into thousands of dollars. By the time someone stands in court, they are not asking for sympathy. They are asking for air. What makes this judge stand out is that he clearly understands that. He does not shame her or lecture her about responsibility like it is a magic fix. Instead, he reframes the situation. Pride is not strength if it puts your children at risk. Independence is not noble if it leads to eviction. And asking for help, especially temporary help, is not failure. It is strategy. The judge also shifts the focus to Ashley's daughter, and that is intentional. Courts do not only deal with money and rules, they deal with consequences. Homelessness is one of the harshest consequences, especially for children who did nothing wrong. The judge also gives practical, human advice. Pay part of the money. Keep some cash for emergencies. Make sure there is gas in the car. Come back on a specific date. Speak to a real person who can help. This is not blind mercy. It is structured compassion. Accountability with a safety net. That matters because justice is not about crushing people when they are already down. It is about stabilizing their lives so they can recover and move forward. Ashley is not avoiding work. She is doing DoorDash on top of her job just to stay afloat. That effort matters. Courts that recognize effort, not just outcomes, are courts that truly serve the public. The most powerful line in this exchange is not about money at all. It is when the judge says, "There's no shame in any of this." For many people watching, especially parents, that sentence alone feels like relief. Because millions of people are closer to Ashley's situation than they want to admit. This is what justice looks like when it remembers humanity. Not perfect, not permanent, but fair, grounded, and real.